Welcome double BP to Stucki Bruderholz Basel. Please enter to our restaurant. Nice to meet you. You are here. The flowers notes of the restaurant is the emblem of Tanya, is the fennel flowers. And I will tell you a little bit the interior of the restaurant, the philosophy, what we make on the menu, the food, and we can talk also of wine. If you like wine, you are welcome. We have a very nice wine menu. Please, trust me. We have three different plates. You have the aubergine, is 15 to 20 place. We can have a smaller table by the window to have look of the garden. And over there you found the Gartenstube. It's actually for private dinner or lunch. We can make 10 to 20 persons of one table or two different tables. You have also a look of outside. Grazie mille. Guten Tag. Grazie. And over there, the famous the Français is also 8 different tables for 2-4 persons. We can make also separate corner for 10-12 persons. And what we appreciate is also in Basel when we have a nice weather to serve outside. We served outside actually. Please, we can have a look also. The philosophy also is that we work with a full menu, is 8 to 12 courses, and we see that with the wine pairing, 80% of the persons appreciate really that we coming with new wines or new philosophy of wines, orange wines, or more culture of international product. And the kitchen and the food what Tanya making is very interesting, while we play really of colors, of flowers notes, spicy notes. It's not too heavy, but with the new philosophy of the house, it's very interesting. We have very open palette of wine by the glass. That's very 80% of the customers are very interesting of this philosophy.